Yeah.
Wednesday or whatever fucking day it was. And he was busting for a crab, and he went in there and said, nah, so that's too dirty, I'm not using that. I thought, you're a fucking sook. And he went and dug a fucking hole behind a pile of dirt in the backyard and shit there.
Well, there you go. The old pit.
Thinking, no, you just overreacted. It couldn't be that fucking dirty, and I went in there, so
that's average.
Whatever.
Oh, I think he's going to get in trouble for that. And no, he's not. Good hard tackle. Won't let AFL boys tackle like that anymore. Oh, good pick up. Good job. Oh, good. Oh my God. Hot, hot, hot. That's it, there it is. Oh, no. Don't kick it back to the big fella. As he takes his time, he doesn't move it on quick, which is good. He certainly gets set up. Why do you think he's lined up for goal or something? Don't need to take that long time if you need to kick it to a contest, brother. At the back. Oops. Well read, well read. Good defense. Here we go, push across, push across. Keep running. Over the top, run, push, push, push. Go, buddy, keep it in front, keep it in front. Good pick up, good. Oops. Let's go. Hands. Oh, good job, Josh. One hand, got rid of it. Good run. Good goal. Blowing hard. Good boy. Hey buddy, how you going, mate? Yeah, I'm getting a nice suntan. She's got a perler. What's going on, mate? Yeah. Yeah, it was. Good game. Brothers have got about 5-6 good players, which is keeping them honest, which is good.
yeah.
Oh, you're gone, buddy. Let's go. Hands again, and again. Keep in front, good girl. Bad luck. Yeah, one more hand pass to blue headgear boy. They would have been out. Hello, troops. How we going? What's going on, football star?
I went 3 from 3.
Hey?
What do you mean?
I need to get her in the women's
Oh, mate, I hear you're the next recruit.
Molly, we're about to lose streaks.
Huh?
We're about to lose streaks. Where's the phone?
I got it.
Somebody said you like to punch on, so you'd be right, mate.
Play women.
Get there. Hey? What do you reckon?
I'm not punching on. I'm not playing AFL. I do good when shaking pencils.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I thought you were talking about my phone.
Huh? No, that was only something I heard.
No, I didn't fight her. I didn't hit her or anything.
Oh,
I was
okay.
just going.
Oh, were you? Oh, that's not a fight. That's a screaming match.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all right. You can get a hair and rip it down.
He pushed me into the wall, so.
Nice. It's a bit funny looking back though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not at the time, but it's funny later. Tina throws a good punch. Tennessee. You just see her on the bag. She goes all right. Love to see her swing and hit someone. I reckon she'll end up hitting her sister one day. Oh, good hit. Go on the fend and got cleaned up. You get a goal, yes. Nice. Do the big close-up after they get a goal. And when the girls kick it, I'm sure they're watching the back home. Don't do that. You're gone, sucker. Hold him up. Oh, come on. You took him on. Punch. Oh, well, down the field after the kick. Oh, it's old mate again. He's big run up. And another big point.
What's up, the little guy? Josh, behind you!
aren't you?
I love it.
Through the middle. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Good hit. Grab it. Oh, out the back. Game on.
I still got my fingers
He has to go credit. He has to go credit.
Jesus Christ!
Tackle. Good girl. Let's go. Hold. Yes. And again, run in, run in, run in, run in. Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Yes, nice. Good play, Bombers. Good finish. Oops, should film him. Oops. Get him, get him, get him, get him. He's going nowhere. Gone. Go wide again. It worked last time. There's Josh. Hit him. Just because you can kick at 45 doesn't mean you do every time. What if I don't see her again?
Then just keep this like you're on.